Reine, Norway, Arctic beauty. In the stunning Lofoten Islands of Norway, Reine stands as a breathtaking blend of natural beauty and traditional fishing village charm. Nestled against jagged peaks and surrounded by crystal-clear fjords, Reine offers an idyllic setting that feels like a painting brought to life. When you visit, you're not just exploring a village, you're stepping into a landscape that captures the wild, untamed spirit of Norway's Arctic region. One of the highlights of Reine is the chance to see the northern lights. Imagine standing on the shore, watching as the sky fills with swirling colors in shades of green, pink, and purple, a truly unforgettable experience. During the day, you can kayak in the fjords, hike the rugged mountains, or simply take in the views from the village's scenic spots. No matter where you turn, there's something beautiful to capture and share. Reine is also known for its charming red fishing cabins, or roorbur, where you can stay and experience a slice of local life. These cozy cabins offer views of the fjord and mountains, providing a warm and inviting place to relax after a day of adventure. The seafood here is also something special, with fresh catches that make for unforgettable meals. If you're drawn to the beauty of the Arctic, Reine is a place where you'll feel a deep connection with nature, a quiet village where the world's wild beauty is at your fingertips.